The highly contagious Delta variant of the COVID-19 has been found in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton, has confirmed the presence of the highly contagious Delta variant of the COVID-19 in Jamaica. The minister stated that we have received faulty results of 60 samples sent to the Caribbean Public Health Agency. 22 are positive for the Delta variant. Revealed by the Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton. The minister further added that the epidemiology and the laboratory teams are now doing further analysis to see if there is any particular significant factor related to the 22 cases identified.
Hello Jamaica, today is the 18th of August 2021 and I'd like to confirm that the Delta variant of the COVID-19 virus is present in Jamaica based on test results that we received today. Of the 40 tests done, 22 have confirmed the Delta variant. And this represents another phase in the COVID virus in our country and the response that is necessary. Now the truth is we had assumed that the Delta variant was here. We did say so publicly. But now that we have confirmed it, I want to reiterate to all Jamaicans the following. Firstly, the Delta variant is highly contagious. It is said to be more contagious than the other variants of the COVID-19 virus. It means that you can get it a lot easier. Persons can spread it a lot easier. Unvaccinated persons, highly at risk, particularly if you don't wear your mask, physical distance, or sanitize. Even the vaccinated can also get the virus, and therefore mask wearing should be universal and standard. We do not want to overcrowd more than we are already, or hospitals, or bring you or put you at risk. And therefore, it is so important that you recognize the importance of wearing the mask and following the protocols. Again, Delta is here, and Delta means faster spread, more contagious, easier to catch, and easier to spread. Get vaccinated, wear your mask. Let it be said that we have said, those who have ears to hear, let them hear. Please follow the protocol. Let's fight COVID together. We can overcome.
The confirmation of the presence of the variant comes as Jamaica recorded 289 new cases of the COVID-19 and confirmed 19 more deaths in the past 24 hours. The total number of infections now moved to 59,377 since the first case was confirmed last year, while the total number of deaths now stands at 1,339. At the same time, hospitals across the country have exceeded their COVID-19 bed capacity, while the exhausted healthcare system and workers urge members of the public to stay vigilant in their practice of infection prevention and control measures, notably mask wearing, maintaining a physical distance from others, and frequent washing of hands or sanitizing. Jamaica will on Thursday receive its first shipment of the Pfizer vaccine, for which children and teens will be prioritized for vaccination. The donation will be delivered in 3 shipments over a 3-month period, with an initial 204,000 doses to make up the first shipment, which should have been originally be delivered on Tuesday, August 17, but this was delayed due to Tropical Storm Grace. The Pfizer vaccine has been proven safe and is approved for use in children and adolescents. I urge the public support for our efforts as we prioritize their vaccination in the coming days, according to Dr. Christopher Tufton. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.